The Meraki dashboard supports a variety of tags. In this demonstration, we'll be using port tags on our Meraki switches. To begin, we will select Switch, followed by Switch Ports. The Switch Ports page displays all of our switch ports on our Meraki dashboard network across all of our Meraki switches. For our demonstration, we will use the filter at the top, and we will enter specific information on a single Meraki switch in order to easily continue our demonstration. I will select the switch text box, and I will enter MS250. When I click back inside of my dashboard, we will now see all my Meraki switch ports for my MS250 switch, along with the column that includes all the custom created and implemented tags on my Meraki switch ports. I have tags that have been created just for the use of identifying switch ports that connect to room 306 or room 402, or tags regarding connections to access points like AP Connect, or even tags that identify the wall jacks inside of these rooms like jack A04 or B04 accordingly. We even have tags that allow us to see that this switch port connects to another switch port, whether it's Meraki or another vendor, like SW Connect. We can select an individual tag, such as AP Connect, and get a filtered output of all the ports on this specific switch that connect to access points. If we would like to customize further, we can change our filter here by selecting the tag to look at room 306 connected switch ports. Room 306 is barely ever used. It's time for us to edit specific ports and disable them, and also to update the tags accordingly. I can select the ports for 1, 2, and 3. I can select tags, and I can select in the add text box. I will add the tag of unused. Since this tag has been used before inside of my dashboard account, Meraki dashboard suggests the tag of unused, which I can click. When the tag looks correct, I can select add. If I click inside of the dashboard, we will now see that the unused tag has been added to ports 1, 2, and 3. We can go further. If I want to disable all Meraki switch ports across my dashboard network on all of my Meraki switches that are using the unused tag, I can easily delete my items in my filter text box, and I can look for the tag of unused. All of the Meraki switch ports across all of my Meraki switches that use the tag of unused are now displayed. I can select all of these ports, and I can select edit. The ports are listed at the top across all of the Meraki switches that are using this unused tag. I can select a port status of disabled, and I can select update. By selecting update, the changes take effect. All those ports on my Meraki MS250 switch and others that are utilizing the unused tag will now have been disabled.